Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the valves on your Honda Civic. First, gather your essential tools, including a feeler gauge, a 10mm wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a torque wrench. It's crucial that your engine is completely cool, ideally having sat overnight, before you begin. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the valve cover to expose the valve train components. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and accurate adjustment process. Next, you'll need to find top dead center, or TDC, for each cylinder. This is a critical step to ensure accurate valve adjustment. You can achieve this by rotating the crankshaft, typically using a 19mm socket, until the timing marks on the crankshaft fully align with the marks on the engine block. When a cylinder is at TDC on its compression stroke, both its intake and exhaust valves will be fully closed, allowing for proper measurement. Now for the adjustment itself. Carefully insert a feeler gauge between the rocker arm and the valve stem. For intake valves, aim for 7 to 9 thousandths of an inch, or 0.18 to 0.22 millimeters. For exhaust valves, target 9 to 11 thousandths of an inch, or 0.23 to 0.27 millimeters. If adjustment is needed, loosen the 10mm lock nut. Turn the adjustment screw with a flathead screwdriver until you feel a slight drag on the feeler gauge. Then tighten the lock nut while holding the screw steady. Once all valves are adjusted, it's time for reassembly. Clean the mating surfaces and install a new valve cover gasket. Carefully place the valve cover back on and tighten the bolts to their specified torque, usually around 7 to 10 foot-pounds. Before starting your engine, double-check all connections and ensure no tools are left behind. Finally, start the car and listen for any unusual ticking or noises. A properly adjusted valve train will run smoothly and quietly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.